to start a YouTube channel. Just create a Google account and you have it. No, I'm just joking, but I'm gonna get some tips on how to start a YouTube channel. And no, it is not too late. It's 2025. It is not too late to start a YouTube channel. I know a lot of people say that it's oversaturated, so it doesn't matter. It does not matter. It does not matter. So the first tip is find a niche. Figure out what you want to post, what kind of content you want. Okay. It's a windstorm going on right now out here in California. Okay. So like I was saying, find a niche. So what do you want to talk about on your channel? Do you want to do tutorials? Do you want to do daily vlogs? I'm going to talk about the vlogs in a minute too, because that's another big thing, because a lot of people say that's selfish content. And personally, I love doing selfish content. I love doing vlogs. I love doing vlogs, but I don't get any views on it. So that's another. Okay, so anyway, so figure out what you want to talk about. Do you want to do makeup? Do you want to do hair tutorials? Do you want, it's a long list of things that you can talk about on your YouTube channel. It's your channel, you can do whatever you want. And for example, for me, I don't niche down. I literally post everything that's around oh my god. So I post everything about my life. Literally everything, from being a business owner, being a grad student. So I have days in the lives. I do everything. Go check it out. Make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff. Get to know me. But I do not niche down. And a lot of people saying, but I've been getting comments saying I need to narrow down to one thing. And the only reason why I say no is because I haven't found something that I stuck with. Let's just say that. You know what I mean? Like, I know I post about everything, but I don't have anything that I'm just like, okay, this is it. Everyone's gonna start loving my videos. So basically, I just post for anything that comes to my mind, and I just like I said, I show you guys my life, and I love it. Even though I'm not getting that many views, especially when I do my days in life, but I love it. Okay, and that's a big thing. You need to find something that you're going to love to do, you're going to enjoy to do. You know what I mean? Like, to be 100% transparent, even if you go through my page, I don't get that many views, but I love creating content. I love posting. Okay, you know what I mean? I need somewhere to post it anyway, so I'm like, that's the only that's the main motivation I have from continuing to do YouTube, because YouTube is not easy. It is not easy. It is not easy, and do not be fooled, because I thought, okay, I'm just rambling. Let me go back to my tips, because it's so much I can tell you guys about my experience. I've been on YouTube for years, okay? Years, and it's not easy. All right, see, that's why I have my notes ready, because I know me. So, okay, basically I told you to, yeah, I wrote everything down. Okay, pick the niche, boom. Okay, so basically, like I said, find a niche, find your target audience. Okay, sorry. So find a niche, find your target audience, and be consistent. Post consistently. I don't know why this keeps moving, but post consistently. And that's a good thing to write down what you want to film, because when you start posting, you cannot stop posting. You have to post consistently. You will need to get people out. You need people to know you. This wind is crazy, and I'm supposed to be going out in a few hours. Okay. That wind is very disrespectful. You guys can hear it. Okay. So, boom. Of course, create a Google account, like I said. So that's how you start it, basically, is a Google account. And literally everyone who has a Gmail has a YouTube channel, if you guys didn't know that. So literally everyone has a YouTube channel if you have a Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, I'll have a link for you where you can go create you a YouTube channel and figure out your name, your display name, and have a nice picture. My dog got something. This video is very distracting, huh? So, and then a thumbnail. Oh my god, a thumbnail. Make sure you have thumbnails for your videos once you post it. But description about what your channel's gonna be about. A call to action. So picture social media platforms so people can find you on different social media platforms. Basically, channel art. So channel a banner, right? So that is when you go to your profile. It has a little thing. Mine's just basic. I like simple. I think it's fine for right now. You know, it's not a real big problem for me. And I did this one on Canvas. I love going. I do a lot of stuff on Canva. Is it Canvas or Canva? Canva. You know what I mean? Like, I do a lot of my thumbnails, artwork on Canva. I love Canva. Let's talk about the most important thing, which is equipment. I do not suggest to run out and get anything expensive, especially if you don't even know, you don't know how consistent you're going to be. You don't know if people going to, you don't know if people going to like your content, okay? So you do not need to go buy expensive equipment. You can use your phone. If you have an iPhone, the camera quality on iPhones are amazing. I did invest in a camera. I vlog, you guys know I vlog, and I love this camera. It's a Canon PowerShot G7. Obsessed. I love my camera, you know what I mean? And ring light. Right now it is night. I have a ring light on. This ring light is probably what, like 200? I know you can find one cheaper on Amazon. Sound, okay, I do have a microphone because when we do pop-ups, I do live stream it, and I do have a mic for that, and I bought that from the TikTok shop. I have a link for everything that I'm listening to you guys. I'm listening. Now, editing. I refuse to invest in the editing software because I don't know how my channel is gonna be. You know what I mean? So I use iMovie. It comes with my my MacBook Pro. So on my laptop, it has iMovie, so I just use that. I just use iMovie for right now. And I promised myself, like, when I start growing, then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna upgrade my equipment. But until then, this is fine. iMovie is fine for me. Like, I don't have any problem. I do have a few problems with it, but it's not that I'm like, oh my god, I need to invest in, like, was it Movie Pro? Everyone uses. It's a list of other ones that I know a lot of influencers use, but I just prefer to wait until my channel grows. So I suggest everyone does that as well. Wait until your channel grows. So wait till you start getting monetized, and then start investing. But until then, like I said, that if you have iPhone, you can, even an Android, you still can use your phone to film. And also you can edit on iPhones too. They have iMovie on your iPhone. And on TikTok, you can edit on TikTok as well. They have a feature where you can edit a video, and you also can post that. There we go. So, like, if you do not have a laptop, you can use your phone to edit. I know there's apps. Oh, sorry. I know there's apps you can download if you do not want to, or you don't have iMovie. Oh yeah. So like I said, do not invest. Well, that sounds bad. Upgrade your equipment once your channel or whatever you're doing grows. That is my suggestion, because I am frugal, and yeah, I don't play games like that. So once you have all your equipment, you have your video topics that you want to talk about in your videos, it's time to start filming. Film everything. Everything can be content when you think about it too as well. So once you film your video, you edit it, it's ready to be uploaded. Make sure you have a good thumbnail. Create a playlist as well. Create playlists. That can help engagement too, because like, what if somebody does like your videos, like, oh, let me see what else you got. So if you have a playlist of all the videos that you do, it's amazing, especially for me, because like I said, I don't niche down. I have all different types of videos, so I have playlists for each type of video that I do, so people can like, oh, like, she's kind of cool, her content's kind of fun, you know what I mean? It's always something about, you know, interesting. So you need a thumbnail, a nice topic, a nice description, of that video, and also use SEO. Wait, take advantage of SEO, right? SEO. So basically just have a good description. And once you once you upload and you're filling out everything, make sure you put everything in, like, don't leave anything blank. That's what I'm saying. Don't leave anything blank. Okay. And so, and once you're consistent, you posting and you growing your page, you can eventually be monetized. I believe it's 500 or 1,000 followers now, but you need watch hours. You need people to watch the whole video through. That's how you get the watch hours up. And this is my suggestion. So once you do everything, uploading your videos, it's time to promote yourself. And I don't want to say don't, but, well, let me just say it. It's the point, you're gonna reach a point where your family and friends are gonna be tired of supporting you. Let's be honest. There's gonna be a point. So you want to reach out to strangers, and you need to promote to strangers, okay? Because I know my family and friends is tired of me. I'm always doing something. Okay? But I know they jump in some videos in here and there. But do not expect your families and friends to share and like and comment every video. Let's be realistic here, okay? I know it's probably that's probably harsh to say, but it's reality. I'm telling you guys from my personal experience. So I am a firm believer of cross promoting. So wherever you post on YouTube, post on all your other social media platforms. That's how you do it. Okay, because the algorithm, my personal experience, the algorithm on YouTube is not in my favor. Okay, it's not in my favor, but surprisingly, I've been growing on TikTok and Instagram. Those are two of my favorite social media platforms, and the algorithm over there is amazing. Like, I have 85,000 followers on Instagram, and mind you, you can get monetized on all social media platforms. All social media platforms pay you to post. So cross promote. Whatever you post on one platform, post on everything else. And I know, like, keep your long form videos for YouTube. So for instance, if you're posting a 45-minute video on YouTube, break parts of that, like the fun things, and put that on Instagram and TikTok. That's what I do. That's basically what I do. Okay, I want to do a video in depth about how I do this cross promoting, because I tried explaining before, and now I don't believe that I did it any justice. So I need to write it down. You guys know I don't like scripts, but for this I want to really jot down how I do it, because I feel like I can help people with my advice. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how to start a YouTube channel. You just basically need to be consistent and post something. Okay, post something. And another thing, YouTube shorts. You can grow fast on YouTube shorts, posting the vertical videos just like what you post on TikTok and Instagram. Vertical is the way. YouTube is doing that as well. If you post on shorts, it's a faster, not faster, let me not say fast, because nothing's fast on YouTube. You know what, let me stop, because my experience may be different from other people's, you know what I mean? So YouTube shorts is a good way. But if you are trying to start a YouTube channel, like I said, just do it. You never know, you might go viral within a couple of weeks. You never know, you know what I mean? You never know. Just try it. Just try. There's nothing wrong with trying, okay? And don't give up. It is very hard it's very hard to be consistent when you're only getting about 8 views. You know what I mean? Like 8 views, 30 views. It's very discouraging, and we cannot give up. You know what I mean? We cannot give up. Just keep going and have fun with it, because if you don't like it and you feel like, oh my god, I'm not getting paid, I want to be a millionaire, this is not working, of course it's not gonna be, you're not gonna be successful at it. You're not gonna be successful at anything if your whole motivation is money. You're not. Especially like with this now. You have to have some type of love for it. And like I said earlier, like, I do love filming. I love getting content. I love that, because if I didn't, I wouldn't still be posting. To be honest, I would not, if I did not like it, because I've been on YouTube for years, I would not be on here if I did not like it. So that's it for my tips. And like I said, just do it. You never know. You never know. You might blow up within a couple weeks. You never know. But just do it. If you have any more questions, if you have any questions, leave them below. I would love to respond. And make sure you are following me. Follow, it helps me out. And watch a couple of my vlogs, get to know me and all that. Yeah. See you guys later.